Hi there, it's James from Twinkl. Today we're creating our very own Easter garden. This is the perfect activity to help you learn why Christians celebrate Easter. So, without further ado, let's get started.
To make your very own Easter garden, you will need a shallow potting dish, a small plant pot, a large rock, potting soil, 6 small sticks, some grass seeds or alternatively some moss, and some string or twine. You could add some small rocks or anything else to really personalise your garden. Okay, so now it's time to grab everything you need for your Easter garden. If you're following along with the video, then feel free to pause at any point throughout to complete each stage yourself. To make your Easter garden, first gather all the supplies and lay the small plant pot on its side in the centre of your shallow potting dish. Then scoop the soil into the dish, moulding the soil around and over the top of the pot to form a hill. If you have grass seeds, then sprinkle these all over the soil at this point. And make sure to spray your garden with some water, making sure the soil's well watered. Now you're going to add your large rock next to the tomb opening, off to one side to show that it's an empty tomb. Next, you want to cut some small sticks to the sizes of the 3 crosses, making sure that the 3 longer sticks and the 3 smaller sticks. Using the string, hold the sticks in place and wrap the string around the sticks until the stick holds in place. Now this stage is a little tricky, so maybe see if an adult can help or use some tape or glue instead. Once you've created your 3 crosses, then add the crosses to your garden behind the tomb opening, making sure there's 1 large in the middle and 2 either side. Now this is the point where you can add any moss, rocks or anything else to really make a personalised Easter garden. And there you have it, 1 mini Easter garden. Wow, these look fantastic. I really hope you've enjoyed this activity as much as I did. This would make the perfect decorative piece for Easter, whether it's in your bedroom, in the garden, or even as a centrepiece for your Easter Sunday dinner. So I hope you've enjoyed this video and you've loved making your very own mini Easter garden. Why not comment below what Easter activities will you be doing this year? Thanks for watching and I'll see you again